Imagine living a life where your bills are paid automatically, your savings grow every month, and you spend guilt-free on the things you love. In this video, we're breaking down the best-selling book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, a simple, practical, 6-week program to build a rich life without stress, without fear, and without complicated financial jargon. Section 1. The Big Idea. Ramit believes that being rich is not about cutting coffee or skipping fun. It's about focusing on big wins, like automation, investing early, and using your money intentionally. His philosophy is simple. Spend extravagantly on things you love, and cut ruthlessly on things you don't care about. This mindset shift is the foundation of a rich life. Intro Section 2, Week 1. Optimize your credit cards. In Week 1, Ramit teaches how to turn credit cards into your financial weapon, not your enemy. Always pay on time, never carry a balance, and negotiate every fee you see. He reminds us that missing just one payment can drop your credit score by over 100 points, costing you thousands in the long run. Section 3, Week 2, Beat the Banks. In Week 2, the book shows why most banks profit from hidden fees and low interest rates. Your job? Open no-fee, high-interest accounts. Ramit recommends having a separate savings account so your goals stay protected and you don't accidentally overspend. Section 3, Week 3, Start investing early. Week 3 is all about investing. You don't need a lot of money to start. Even $50 or 500 rupees is enough. The key is consistency. Ramit explains that a person who starts early with small investments beats someone who starts late with bigger amounts. He suggests using low-cost index funds and investing automatically every month. Section 4, Week 4, Conscious Spending. In Week 4, Ramit introduces the Conscious Spending Plan. Instead of strict budgeting, divide your income into 4 buckets: fixed costs, savings, investments, and guilt-free spending. This allows you to enjoy life without feeling guilty while still building wealth. Section 5, Week 5, Automate Your Money. Week 5 is the heart of the entire system. Automation. Your salary flows into your account. Your bills get paid automatically. Your investments and savings happen without you doing anything. This system removes stress, eliminates missed payments, and builds wealth quietly in the background. Section 6, Week 6, Invest the Smart Way. In Week 6, Ramit explains that you don't need to beat the market to get rich. You just need a simple, diversified portfolio of index funds. Avoid market timing. Avoid high-fee financial advisors, and focus on long-term growth. Final message: what a rich life really means. At the end of the book, Ramit reminds us, a rich life is personal. For one person, it's travel. For another, it's freedom, family time, or luxury experiences. Money isn't the goal, it's the tool, and this 6-week plan helps you take control without worrying about perfection. Outro. If you enjoyed this summary, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment which book you want next. I'll make the summary just for you.